Before buying a car scratch remover, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it.
Product number 1, Carfident Scratch Repair Kit. We have the Carfident Scratch Repair and Swirl Remover, priced at $21.97. This caught my attention because of its promise to easily fix light scratches and swirls without the need for professional help. If you want a straightforward solution for minor paint imperfections, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Carfident's compound not only removes scratches, but also restores gloss and shine. It's a big deal if you're tired of seeing those annoying marks on your car. With over 10,000 units sold in just the past month, it's a popular choice among DIY enthusiasts. The kit even comes with a buffer pad, making it super user-friendly. Now, some people complained about the need for multiple applications on deeper scratches. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for quick fixes and minor touch-ups, this won't be a deal breaker. Just keep in mind that for more serious damage, you might need something stronger. This is perfect for you if you want to maintain your car's appearance without spending a fortune on professional detailing. Skip this one if your vehicle has deep scratches that need more than just a surface-level fix. It's a solid value for the price. Now, if Carfident's need for multiple applications bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Meguiar's Quick Eraser Kit. While the price isn't listed, it's worth noting that this kit has over 7,000 sales recently, which says a lot. What grabbed my attention is its drill-mounted pad that makes removing scratches almost effortless. If you want quick, professional results at home, this one is for you. This kit is designed to be safe on all glossy paints and clear coats, which is crucial if you want to avoid causing more damage while fixing the scratches. The micro-abrasive technology helps erase light blemishes without hazing, which is impressive. Plus, it's a complete package, including Scratch-X and a microfiber towel, making it convenient for anyone. Some users have mentioned that the drill attachment may not work with all drill taps. Here's the thing though, if you have a standard electric drill, you shouldn't have an issue. Just be mindful if you're using a non-standard tool. This is perfect for you if you want a quick and effective solution without needing much elbow grease. Skip this one if you don't have access to a drill or prefer manual application. It's a great value for a DIY car care kit. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for removing deeper scratches.
Product number 3, Meguiar's Mirror Glaze M105 Ultra Cut Compound. This one caught my eye because of its heavy-duty formula that tackles moderate to heavy paint defects. Even though the price isn't listed, it's been bought over 5,000 times recently, which speaks volumes about its effectiveness. If you've got deeper scratches or oxidation, this product is worth paying attention to. The reason this is a standout is its ability to remove sanding marks up to 1200 grit. That means if your car has been through some rough patches, this compound can help restore its finish. It's safe for all glossy paint finishes, which is a big plus, and you can use it by hand or with a polisher. Now, some reviews mention it can be a bit aggressive, possibly leading to more swirls if not used correctly. Here's the thing, as long as you're careful and follow instructions, it shouldn't be a problem. Just be prepared to put in a little effort if you're aiming for that perfect finish. This is perfect for you if you're dealing with serious paint issues and want something that really works. Skip this one if you prefer a more gentle approach for minor scratches. It's a worthy investment for serious car care. Now, if M105's aggressive nature doesn't suit you, the next product might be a more balanced option.
Product number 4, Chemical Guy's VSS One-Step Scratch and Swirl Remover, priced at $17.59. This product is intriguing because it combines cutting and polishing power into one step, which really caught my attention. If you want to save time while achieving a glossy finish, this is definitely worth considering. What's great about the VSS is that it works on all paint types, including ceramic coatings. So whether you have a car, truck, or even an RV, it's versatile enough for various applications. It effectively removes light to moderate scratches and leaves a high gloss finish without needing additional polishing. However, some users noted that it may not be as effective on heavy scratches. Here's the thing though, if you're mainly dealing with minor imperfections, this shouldn't deter you. It's still a solid option for quick touch-ups. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an easy, one-step solution that delivers professional-looking results. Skip this one if you're dealing with more significant damage that needs extensive work. It's a good value for the performance you get. Alright, that brings us to our last product, which is a great budget-friendly option.
Product number 5, Turtle Wax Scratch Repair. We have the Turtle Wax Scratch Repair and Renew, priced at $12.99. What drew me to this was its affordability and effectiveness in tackling a variety of surface issues. If you want a budget-friendly option that still delivers decent results, this might be the one for you. Turtle Wax is known for its smart surface repair technology that targets not only scratches, but also swirls, paint transfers, and even headlight oxidation. This is essential for maintaining your vehicle's appearance without breaking the bank. Plus, it's safe for all paint colors, making it versatile for any car. Now, some reviews mention that you may need to apply it multiple times for stubborn marks. Here's the thing. At this price point, it's a small trade-off for a product that can save you a lot on professional repairs. Just manage your expectations with deeper scratches. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an effective scratch remover that won't hurt your wallet. Skip this one if you need immediate results for deeper scratches. It's a solid value for what you pay. Now that we've covered all 5 products, let's wrap things up.
So there you have it. 5 great options for tackling those pesky car scratches. From Carfordant's Easy Repair Kit to Meguiar's heavy-duty compounds, there's something for every need and budget. If you want something quick and user-friendly, Meguiar's Quick Eraser Kit is a solid choice. But if you have more serious issues, M105 from Meguiar is hard to beat. And if you're on a budget, Turtle Wax has you covered without sacrificing quality. Whatever your situation, hopefully this helps you make a more informed decision.